What's going on, everybody? This is Bo. I just want to do a quick walkthrough on this van. I just finished right now, just right now. Just put away all the tools. Quick walk away. Like I stated from the beginning of this build, it wasn't a completely build as far as, like, you know, there's no countertop, there's no bed or anything like that, because it was already there. So see what we have. Okay, so first of all, from the front, let's do the inside first. I added the swivel seat, okay, passenger side swivel seat on this one. Okay, okay, smooth swivel seat. You're gonna have to, like, move the chair forward a little bit to so you can maneuver it all around. Anyways, it swings all around. The driver's side was already there. It's also swivel seat, but I did add the mount, the table mount. So the lagoon table will be mounted here, so that the driver and the passengers can face this way and share the table, having lunch or whatnot with the passenger on the side here. Okay. Again, this van was a what year was this one? I think it's a 22. It's a crew van to start with. Okay, already have windows. From here, the front also, I made this one, the shelf, the storage about the driver's head right here. Okay, it's overhead storage, and then shiplap ceiling. Okay, I did the insulation inside with the reflecting, and redone all the the sound deadening, and then the thermal insulation, and then added this fan. This is Maxxair 7500K with smoke color. Okay, I made this cabinet. Okay, the 30-inch cabinet, pretty cool. Okay, and then moving back right here, there's a light bar right here that can bright everything up. Okay, you can see, and you can rotate it, so you can have a picnic, or, you know, hanging out in the front at the camp. Okay, it has its own on-off switch here. And moving forward to this, moving back to this side, this is a 32 by 24. 32 by 24 deep. Okay, shower door, retractable shower door. Okay, beautiful shower. This is white on white, and the owner chose the warm light color, so she can, you know, kind of feel warm in here and kind of go with the wood floor. She doesn't want like super white. But anyways, this color came was available at the time, and it's white, and then now the frame also white, so everything's all white here. It looks awesome. Plus the shower on-off shower head here has an on-off button right here, so to control shower. And then we have a mixer, beautiful high chrome mixer right here. Okay, so look at that. As far as the power, this van, the owner already built the power, so I did not do that part. I mean, the battery, all the settings, everything. I only did the solar panel and connected all the lights, and then connect to the existing system that he has on. He has four lithium batteries and 2000 watt inverter, and a 40 amp DC to DC charger, and also a 40 amp solar charge control in here. Here it was just a metal plate wall, okay, the two plates right here, and it was very hot. So I put the marine carpet, okay, wrapped it around marine carpet, and this one was already there. There's gonna be two levels of bed, two bunk beds on this van, one here and one down here. Okay, so that's why you see this L track right here. It's gonna be a bed system here and also bed system in the back. So I marked that back to original after that, and then I moved some controllers from inside here to up here. So we have the on-off switch for the inverter, and also the battery monitor right here, and then we have a dimmer for all the LED lights in the ceiling, and I put a fast charging USB here. That's a 3.0, one on this side and then one on this corner as well. Okay, so that way, you know, when the somebody sleeping back here, and it's at least it's convenient, more convenient on this side. And then all the control switches right here, switches for the water pump, for the gray tank, for all the light switches on the top, and yep, all controls right here. Okay. These are Window Direct's brand. It's exactly the same as the C.R. Lawrence. It's a half slide window, okay, with the Bulkmount, 33 inches by 11. Okay, I leave this frame because the owner is gonna take care of that. He's gonna buy the frame that's made for this kind of window, just attached to it. So that's why you see it kind of open like that. Okay, and also the bed here. Okay, he just wanted something to enclose right here. This is the plumbing system and the water tank on this side. So I made this frame, the aluminum frame, and then enclose it, and so that I can mount my personalized water inlet and the water heater on the back side right here. Okay, on the top right here also, this is one of the biggest thing I've done on this van. It's the 12-volt AC. All right, this is the valid brand 12-volt. Okay. So on the top we have two of the 175 watt solar panels. That's a total of 350 watts charging our battery. Besides that, the water system, there's a 33 gallons water tank, fresh water tank on here, and a 20-gallon gray water tank resides under the shower there, with a press of a button. It's an electric ball valve to release the gray water out of the tank. So, and back here, this is the instant water heater, our water inlet, the gauge for the water, and also our quick connect. This is my favorite. Most of the vans do that. Okay, the shower head's gonna be screwed to here, and then all you have to do is push and disconnect. Very simple. And then on off right here, hot and cold water both available. Okay, just in case you're wondering what it is, it's I just created that outlet, extra outlet, so that you can drain the system. If you don't use for a while, you can just drain the water out of the system through here. Just turn on the water pump and just let it drain out through the hot and the cold water. And last thing right here, I installed the 15 amp inlet right here. This is where you need when you need to plug in from shore power from the campsite, so you can charge your battery and also use that electrical inside, so you just plug in through here. The last thing is the roof rack. Okay, that roof rack brand is the white top overland, something like that. Okay, it's a, yeah, that roof rack. It kind of worked out with the 175-watt solar panels. It fits perfectly. Okay, and then it has all the mounting holes for all the lights on the side as well. Take a look from up there. One last thing I forgot, almost. The ladder. This is the 100% aluminum prime design ladder. I put this on a lot of vans. Okay, very nice design, strong, and there's no drill required on this one. Okay, if you like that, I've been using it, and it's a great ladder. So that's it. If you follow me all this build along, I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, please share. I will have more video coming up on van build, on travel, on installing stuff on the van, or work on the van. So this is Bo. Thank you so much for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Testing my water pressure and checking the leaks. Pump is on right now, pressure is there, and I can turn on off right here, or I can turn on off here at the mixer. So right now my mixer is on. I can also control that the shower head right here. Okay, look at this pressure, look at that. Wow, and it's, look at it, smoking hot water, steaming. So I'm gonna reduce the warmer. That's really cool. It got hot right away. Alright, testing water system is good.